Hello YouTubers, this is the new super handy plucking machine. I want to feature this today. I'm not getting a credit for this, or I'm not being paid to even show it, but it's a pretty good plucker. It's got nice fingers on it, and what it does is, if I can get this right, what it does is it spins the chicken around and plucks all the feathers off of it. Well, we're gonna get to test this thing out and see how really good it is. I kind of like it myself. It takes a lot of work out of it, out of plucking a chicken. So all of you chicken lovers that like to raise meat birds, here's a good tool to have. So we'll get this started and we'll be right back with you. Scalding the chicken, you want to have about 145, 150 degree water. And you want to just slosh the chicken up and down in the water. Periodically check his feathers. If his big feathers pull out, he ready. He ain't ready. Kind of sloshing him, keep him from cooking. There we go. Then put him in the plucker. When you run the plucker, you want to run the water. Wash all the feathers down. You get over it.
Hold on.
And it cleans that chicken pretty good. Now trust me, if you get that water too hot, you're gonna have a skinless chicken. But this is perfect. You just got a few little pin feathers. Yeah, you got a perfectly plucked chicken. And first you want to cut the feet off. First thing you want to do, keep your sharp knife. Second thing you want to do is find that crawl. And the windpipe, kind of pull it. A lot of people take it and tie it, keep anything from coming out of it. It's a little slippery. Try to tie it. There you go. Second thing you want to do is come to the back, make a slit. You don't want to poke it, you want to slit it. And I always just simply take my fingers and tear it. Tear it big enough to stick your hand in it. That way you can pull everything out of it. And you kind of work your hand in there. Work it around to get everything out. Go up as far as you can. And get it out. Then next, cut out your vent. Just raise it up. Cut your vent out. And you finish cleaning your bird out. Got them lungs up there. They a little hard to get out. They make a tool to get them out. But once you do that, get all that out. You got your oil sac. You want to cut that off. Once you cut your oil sac off, your bird pretty much done. And you want to put it in some cold water. Put it in an ice bath. Get all your mud. Part of the chrome. That's all there is to it. And that's a wrap.